Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold XAU USD this week forecast. If you saw my last week analysis, I have already mentioned this song. This song is the powerful song for entry. If you didn't see my video last week, you can go to my channel and watch this video. This green color zone is a very important zone for the last week and price ranging this area few days and dropped. Selling pressures is the dominant for last week gold. Okay, this week I am forecasting selling pressure is also again dominant and below zone. Price is ranging like that's last week, and I am forecasting this week also is selling pressure is dominant, and I am forecasting this zone, this below zone, price will be continuing to drop for the below zone. Like this, I am predicting price continuing to drop to the below zone. So selling pressure is the dominant for gold next week also. This is my first prediction for gold. So there's a sell opportunity I am forecasting next week gold. So below zone is continuing to high, and price will be create much more ranging and continue to higher high like this. So this below zone is for the buy options. It has buy options in below zones, and price will be continue to create high from this below zone, continues to this, and will be continuing to create high or and will be drop. Selling pressure is much more gold. I am forecasting there is a sell opportunity in next week also. So I am giving you another options. I am using Fibonacci retracement for this movement, this upside movement. So Fibonacci last zone, price will be in Fibonacci last zone and continue to like this high. So last Fibonacci zone and drop this and continue to drop. That's my two forecasting in gold. So I am heavily forecasting there's a sell opportunity in next week. Okay, thank you very much for seeing this video.